augete nimarerutaneria ũrĩa mangĩongerera ũnyitanĩri maũndũ-inĩ ma ũrĩmi na njĩra ya kũhũthĩra njĩra cia ũrĩmi iria ingĩtũma ũrĩmi ũthiĩ na mbere na gũtigĩrĩra arimi nĩ magĩa mbeca na guteithereria harĩ maũndũ ma ũgarũrũku wa rĩera nĩguo kũgĩe na mĩario mĩega ĩgiĩ ũgarũrũku wa rĩera.
Warm welcome to President William Ruto of Kenya. Mr. President, it's a great honor. Thank you.
It is true that we are off track on the achievement of both SDGs and also climate action. And we came to the conclusion at our Africa Climate Summit that it is no longer possible to discuss development, SDGs, and climate separately, that these are one and the same. And if there is something we learned from the COVID, is that there is nobody who is safe. We can all be in trouble. Working with Bill Gates Foundation in Kenya, we are reconfiguring how do we deliver health. In fact, we're changing from curative to promotive and preventive. And on Monday next week, we will be launching health promoters. In every community, every 100 households will have a community health promoter equipped so that we can promote health from the bottom going up.
President Ruto is exactly right. We have to do more on this restructuring the debt so that countries can rebuild their health systems while they deal with climate shocks. One of the most exciting things, I've seen many exciting things across the continent of Africa, but one is just the ingenuity of people and also, you know, young people. So if you ask a parent in Africa what their hopes and dreams are, I have never had a parent not say, my son or my daughter going to school.
Na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere mwĩrĩ wa mũrũmĩrĩri ũmwe wa mwaho wa Azimio